Good morning, my dear student, and namaste to every parents from the side of BR Sigdil. Okay, my dear student, let's go in our topic. We are in this unit 3. Everybody know that I already recited in front of you, and today is our last lesson of this unit 3, that is lesson 8, and our topic is that the responsibility towards the senior citizen. Okay, my dear student, our topic today, our lesson today is the responsibility towards this senior citizen. It means ज्येष्ठ नागरिक प्रतिको हाम्रो दायित्व. This is this topic. This is the lesson today. Before we start this lesson, first of all, we must have to know what is the meaning of a senior citizen. Who were the senior citizen, and why we are going to study about this topic of this, our responsibility, family responsibility, social responsibility, institutional responsibility, government responsibility towards this senior citizen. Those person or the individual who were above the 60 or 65 years old, either he or she, yes, they are obviously known as the senior citizen. They are known as this Jyeshtha Nagarik. Nowadays, due to this influence of this Western culture, and similarly to form this nuclear family, and many more desire of this family, most of the steps of this aged individual, father and mother, were neglected from this family. So that to make you all student to understand and responsible in your life also, that this lesson is included in our curriculum, that is the responsibility towards the senior citizen. Actually, those person or individual who cross the age of 60 and 65, yes, they are known as the senior citizen. And similarly, we must have to know the responsibility towards the senior citizen. In short form, I would like to make you understand, my dear student, what the meaning of responsibility towards this senior citizen. Now listen me carefully. Okay, the responsibility of this family, okay, the responsibility of community, responsibility of society, institution, organization, and the nation to provide love, care, nurture, rekh-dekh, palan poshan, help, empathy by providing nutritive foods to them, and medical health treatment at the time of need. Listen their problems, their pain, their sorrow, their feelings. Understand their feelings, okay, and similarly provide the allowance from the side of this government to them, and guarantee the rights towards the senior citizen in the family, that is known as the responsibility towards the senior citizen. The responsibility, especially we think and thought from the side of the family, it is not enough. So that from the family level, from this community level, from the society level, from the organization level, institution level, from this political level, okay, we must have to provide the love, we must have to provide the care, we must have to care them properly according to their this will, and similarly provide this medical health treatment at the time of need, okay, and similarly listen their problem, understand their feelings, and there must be this guarantee of their rights. All these are, my dear student, are collectively known as the responsibility towards the senior citizen. Okay, the ज्येष्ठ नागरिक प्रति एउटा समाजले, एउटा समुदायले, okay, राज्यले, संस्थाले, संगठनले, okay, त माया उनीहरूको चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि उचित चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि रेखदेख, okay, स्वास्थ्यसँग सम्बन्धित चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि उपचारसँग सम्बन्धित सेवाहरू, राज्य पक्षले दिनुपर्ने चाहिँ के वृद्ध भत्ताहरू, okay, as well as whatever the basic needs fundamental rights that is required to them. All such types of the things should be as provide them to make them a happy life, satisfactory life, comfortable life. All these responsibility, if we pure, यदि हामी यस्ता चाहिँ दायित्वहरू उनीहरूप्रति खन्याउँछौँ, that responsibility is known as obviously the responsibility towards the senior citizen. So after getting this concept about this responsibility towards the senior citizen, my dear student, how this question is asked to you in examination, okay, how you must have to understand, or how you must have to understand that how this question may be asked. The question may be asked like this. Most frequently such types of the questions are asked already in the examination. It is mentioned in this book, textbook also, in 10 set also, in 30 days practice too. So now listen to me here, how the question is asked. That should be considered while attending this class, and understand what types of the question and how you have to give these answers for such questions, okay, if it is asked in the examination. Now listen me carefully. The what efforts, hey, efforts means prayas, okay, karyaharu. The what efforts were made from the side of this government, okay, for the benefits of the senior citizens. The राज्य पक्षले ज्येष्ठ नागरिकहरूप्रति के कस्ता चाहिँ इफोर्ट्सहरू, प्रयासहरू गरिरहेको छ उनीहरूलाई सेवा सुविधाहरू दिनका लागि. Such types of the dear student, the questions are asked, okay. Once again the question, the what efforts were made from the side of the government, from the side of this government for the benefits, for the welfare, for such types of this senior citizen. Like this the question is asked. And by learning this lesson, you must have to create the answer in your own words. The how this answer should be create. Now listen me carefully. Point number first. The सरकार पक्षबाट यस्ता चाहिँ ज्येष्ठ नागरिकहरूलाई चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि सेवा दिनका लागि के कस्ता प्रयास र प्रयत्नहरू भएका छन्. Like this the question is asked. Now first, the senior citizens are given the allowance under the social security. सामाजिक सुरक्षा प्रदान गर्नका लागि सरकारले, राज्य पक्षले वृद्ध भत्ता दिने यस्तो खालको क्रियाकलापहरू चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि राज्य पक्षबाट सञ्चालन भएको छ. It is the positive, it is the heartily welcome steps that has been done from the side of government towards the senior citizen, okay. Like this you must have to create the answer in examination if such types of the question is asked to you in examination, okay. First, once again, and there is this reservation भनेको आरक्षण, okay, सुरक्षित, okay. There is this provision of this reservation of at least 2 seats in this public vehicles, okay. सार्वजनिक यातायातहरुमा चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि यस्ता ज्येष्ठ नागरिकहरुलाई सेवा सुविधाहरु दिनका लागि उनीहरुका लागि छुट्टै ज्येष्ठ नागरिक सीट भनेर चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि छुट्याइएको छ. For their comfortable travel from one place to another place. Such types of the efforts, such types of the prayatna has been done from the side of this government, okay. Now third, and there is this provision of free health treatment and discount in this health service. The government has been done the efforts in the sectors of health also for this, focusing this facility to the senior citizen, that is there is the provision of free health treatment and this discount in the health service. त स्वास्थ्य क्षेत्रमा हैन छुटहरु दिने अनि निशुल्क चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि औषधि उपचारहरु गराइदिने यस्ता खालका प्रोभिजन्सहरु नेपाल सरकारबाट चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि भएका छन्. त these are the efforts that has been made in the favor of, for the welfare of, for this comfort of senior citizen from the side of government too. Now 4, and senior citizen need not to wait. This is the very appreciate steps that has been done to this towards the senior citizens from the side of this government, that is senior citizen need not to wait in queue for their work in any offices. कुनै पनि सरकारी अड्डा अदालत अफिसहरुमा जुन एउटा लाइन लाग्नुपर्ने जुन बाध्यता हाम्रो चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि समाजमा रहेको छ, त्यस्ता चाहिँ क्यूहरुमा, क्यू भनेको चाहिँ के लाइनमा लाग्ने चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि जुन प्रक्रिया प्रचलनहरू छ, त्यस्तो अवस्थामा चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि वृद्धहरूलाई चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि पहिलो प्रायोरिटी दिने या दिइने छ भन्ने जस्ता खालका सुविधाहरू है ज्येष्ठ नागरिकहरू प्रति चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि सेवा सुविधा दिनका लागि यस्ता सुविधाहरू पनि चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि व्यवहारमा चाहिँ के त भन्दा उतारिएको अवस्था छ. So steps of the efforts has been made from the side of the government towards this senior citizen, towards this ज्येष्ठ नागरिक. Okay, not only this 50% discount, okay, 50% छुट, okay, from the side of this government, the 50% discount in fare rate in this public vehicles. र public vehicles हरुमा यात्रा गर्दाखेरि 50% यस्ता ज्येष्ठ नागरिकहरूलाई चाहिँ छुट दिने व्यवस्था राज्य पक्षले चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि गरेको छ, निर्धारण गरेको छ. The steps of the efforts, the steps of the efforts that has been made towards the senior citizens from the side of this government. Like this, my dear student, you must have to create the answer. If the question is asked in the examination like this, what efforts were made from the side of this government for the benefit, for the welfare of his senior citizen, list out any 4 logical points. Like this question is asked to you in this examination. Similarly, hey, by learning all these things, by getting some steps of this idea from me, the another way are also there to ask the question to this student in the topic of responsibility towards the senior citizen. And now listen to me here. There is the possible to ask the question like this also. Okay, many years laws, many constitutions were made in this nation, but most frequently they are changed. Okay, this is the true in the history of Nepal and Nepalese politics. The question may ask you like this also: what provisions? Provisions means pravanda, chajo majo. Hey, what provisions have been made by the government in this constitution and law for the rights and benefits of the senior citizen? Like this also the question is asked. The Nepal सरकारले नेपालको संविधानमा, नेपालको कानुनमा के कस्ता प्रबन्धहरू तर्जुमा गरेको छ यस्ता ज्येष्ठ नागरिकहरूको सुरक्षाका लागि, सुविधाका लागि. Like this the question is asked in examination. Okay, my dear student, once again the question, it is given in your textbook in this exercise also. And what provisions have been made by this government, okay, in this constitution? नेपालको संविधानमा, नेपालको चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि कानुनमा, constitution and the law have the same meaning, यो भनेकै कानुन हो. त नेपालको चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि सरकारले नेपालको संविधानमा है ज्येष्ठ नागरिकहरूको चाहिँ अधिकार र सुविधाका लागि के कस्ता चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि कुराहरू उल्लेख गरेको छ. Like this question is asked. It is very important questions for examination point of view or examination point of view too. Now listen me. So according to the Senior Citizen Act, act means also this law. Act, constitution, law have the same meaning. Okay, don't get confused. Act, law, constitution have this similar meaning, my dear student. So according to the Senior Citizen Act 2063, actually the interim constitution that is promulgated, or promulgated means announced in Nepal in 2063. So in this constitution also the government of Nepal has made, okay, the Nepal ko antarim संविधान मा, what is interim constitution? The law that has been formed to rule the country for short period of time till permanent constitution has not been written. That is known as interim constitution. जसलाई अन्तरिम संविधान भनिन्छ. अन्तरिम भनेको केही समयका लागि, देश चलाउनको लागि बनाइएको कानुन. That law, that canon is known as interim constitution. Okay, my dear student. The now listen here. According to the Senior Citizen Act 2063, the government of Nepal has made the provision of providing the allowance every month. The Nepal को अंतरिम संविधान 2063 2063 अनुसार के उल्लेख गरिएको छ भने हरेक नेपालीहरू जो 60-65 देखि एबभ छन् उनीहरूलाई सरकारले वृद्ध भत्ता चाहिँ दिइने छ. भनेर त्यो संविधानमा, त्यो लमा, त्यो एक्टमा उल्लेख गरिएको छ र नेपाल सरकारले दिइरहेको छ जसको नागरिकता छ। त such types of this provisions, प्रबन्धहरू मिलाएको छ by the side of this government, and it has been written, included, jot down in this constitution, in the act as well as in this law. First, so these are these provisions that has been made. Now another provision, point number 2, according to the right of senior citizen, a fundamental right, ज्येष्ठ नागरिक अधिकार अन्तर्गत रहेको मौलिक अधिकारमा के उल्लेख गरिएको छ भने द सिनियर सिटिजन shall have the special protection, विशेष खालको चाहिँ सुरक्षा, एन्ड सोशल सेक्युरिटी, सामाजिक सुरक्षा, फ्रम द साइड अफ द स्टेट, राज्य पक्षबाट यस्ता ज्येष्ठ नागरिकहरूप्रति सरकारले चाहिँ सुरक्षा के भन्दाखेरि निर्धारण गरेको छ। ज्येष्ठ नागरिकहरूलाई गर्नुपर्ने दायित्व फ्रम द साइड अफ द फ्यामिली, from the side of the neighbors and the relatives, that is written, that is included in this fundamental right. Such types of the provisions that has been made from the side of this government, and it has been included in this constitution, in the act as well as in this law of Nepal. Okay, and similarly, according to the Citizen Act, नागरिक कानून 2063 अनुसार त्यहाँ के भनिएको छ भने, now listen me my dear student, no shall be detached. डिट्याच भनेको वञ्चित गर्न नपाइने, खोस्न नपाइने. डिट्याच मीन्स खोस्नु, वञ्चित गराउनु. once again my dear student, listen me carefully. त नेपालको संविधान, एक्ट र लमा ज्येष्ठ नागरिकहरूप्रति के कस्ता चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि अधिकारहरूलाई सुनिश्चित गरिएको छ. that is this question, for the benefit, for this rights, for this senior citizen. त according to Citizen Act 2063, no one shall be detached, वञ्चित गराउन पाइने छैन, खोस्न पाइने छैन, the senior citizen from the family in against of his or her will. यस्ता 60 and 65 क्रस गरेका हाम्रा चाहिँ के श्रद्धेय बाबा आमा, हजुरबा हजुरआमा, उनीहरूको चाहना बेगर घरबाट निकालेर आश्रममा जबरजस्ती राख्न पाइने छैन. इट हैज बीन इन्क्लुडेड इफ इट इज फाउन्ड सो, यदि त्यस्तो गरेको गराइएको पाइएमा त्यसलाई दण्डनीय अपराध मानिन्छ र सजाय दिइनेछ. लाइक दिस इट हैज बीन मेन्सन इन दिस senior citizen fundamental rights in Nepal. I have seen, my dear student, one film, a Nepali movie. It is this Pasupati Prasad or something, okay? There is shown the scenario of this senior citizen, especially in this city area, in the Kathmandu area. Most of the such types of the aged peoples were compelled to live in this, in charity, or you can say in this ashram. Okay, त नेपालको संविधानले के भनेको छ भने, without any interest of senior citizen, no family member are forced to leave them in the missionaries, or you can say in these ashrams. Okay, that is this great what punishable is crime. त सिनियर सिटिजन को चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि इच्छा बेगर यदि कसैले उनीहरुलाई चाहिँ आश्रममा लगेर जबरजस्ती राखिएको छ भने उनीहरुलाई के गर्नु, उनीहरुले चाहिँ के त भन्दा सजाय पाउने छन्. लाइक दिस दिस टाइप्स अफ दिस लॉ हैज बीन is included in this what the act, in the constitution as well as in the law, in the favor of senior citizen. So these are this provision that has been made from the side of the government, and it has been included in the constitution, in the act, to guarantee the right of our respected senior citizens. And similarly, e-bahik, okay, among them, so under this same act means law, okay, under the same act it is written that, त्यहाँ अरु पनि के कुरा लेखिएको छ भने, listen me, it shall be duty of each family member, it shall be duty of each and every family that if there is no son, no heirs daughter, they are busy in their duty, they are far from their home, then other members have the responsibility to take care such types of the senior citizen. So all these things are as mentioned in the constitution, all these things are mentioned in the law, all these things are as mentioned in the act of Nepal. The what provisions have been made by the government in this constitution, नेपालको संविधानमा कानुनमा सरकारले के कस्तो प्रबन्धहरू मिलाएको छ सिनियर सिटिजनको हक र अधिकारका लागि. This is the question. Okay, the like this you must have to create the answer. According to the Senior Citizen Act 2063, the government of Nepal has made this provision of providing the allowance, वृद्ध भत्ता दिने यस्तो सुविधाहरू चाहिँ नेपालको संविधानमा लेखिएको छ. And according to the right of senior citizen in this fundamental right, नेपालको चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि Senior Citizen Act मा अन्तर्गत मौलिक अधिकारमा के भनिएको छ भने senior citizens shall have the special protection and social security. Third, according to the Citizen Act, citizen means नागरिक 2063, no one shall be detached, वञ्चित गराउन पाइने छैन, उनीहरूको हक खोज्न पाइने छैन from the family in against his or her will. उनीहरूको चाहना बेगर उनीहरूलाई घरदेखि चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि अलग गर्न पाइने छैन. Such types of these rights are guaranteed in this constitution from the side of this government. Okay. And under the same act, it is written, and it shall be the duty of each family members to maintain and care for their senior citizen according to this economic status. घरको चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि आर्थिक अवस्था अनुसार, प्रेस्टिज अनुसार परिवारले ज्येष्ठ नागरिकलाई गर्नुपर्ने दायित्व, उनीहरूको रेखदेख, लालन पोषण, स्वास्थ्य सुविधा, माया, यी सब कुराहरू चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि फ्यामिलीले मतलब सिनियर सिटिजनलाई दिनुपर्ने छ. Such types of this provision has been mentioned, included, written in the constitution, in the law and in this act. Similarly, my dear student, another way are also there to ask this question to you. How it is then? Now listen me carefully. So we have been hearing, हामी most often we hear from the news, okay, nowadays due to this busy life of these people, we have been hearing and reading in this incident. हामी थुप्रै घटनाहरू सुन्छौं, हामी हेर्छौं र न्यूज पेपरमा पढ्छौं. Such types of the questions are very important for examination point of view. Remember this and take the idea from the teacher. We have been hearing and reading the incident that senior citizens are being neglected. घरबाट चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि तिरस्कृत, बहिष्कृत र घरबाट चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि आफ्नै फ्यामिली मेम्बरले निकालिएको अवस्था, यस्ता घटनाहरू हामी न्यूज पेपरबाट, एफएमबाट, रेडियोबाट, न्यूज च्यानल्सहरुबाट सुन्छौं, हामी पढ्छौं. Whatever the current event that is just happening in the society, in the nation, in this topic, such types of these questions are most important for this examination in social study. त यी कुरा पढिसकेपछि हाम्रो समाजमा यससँग सम्बन्धित समस्याहरू के छन् हो त्यस्ता कुराहरू बढी चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि परीक्षामा बढी इम्पोर्टेन्ट हुन्छन्. दे आर इम्पोर्टेन्ट फर द एक्जामिनेसन पोइन्ट अफ भ्यू. त नाउ लिसन मी हियर. So we have been hearing and reading the incident that senior citizens are being neglected by family members. What may be the reasons behind it? And write the major solution as well. Very important question for examination point of view. नेपाली समाज मा अहिले हामी के देखिरहेका छौं त भन्दाखेरि आफ्नै छोराछोरीहरुबाट आफ्नै बाबाआमालाई घरबाट चाहिँ के त बहिष्कृत, घरबाट निकालिएको अवस्था, उनीहरुलाई जबरजस्ती आश्रममा बस्नुपर्ने वातावरणको सिर्जना, यस्ता किसिमका घटनाहरू घटिरहेको चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि समाचारहरू, घटनाहरू हामी सुन्छौं, देख्छौं र हामी पढ्छौं. त यस्तो घटनाहरू किन घटिरहेका छन् नेपाली समाजमा र यसलाई कसरी समाधान गर्न सकिन्छ? Such types of the questions are very important for examination point of view. In very short, I will give you the idea how to write, how to create the answer. Now listen to me here. Due to this busyness, people are very busy nowadays. That is the cause factor that aged peoples or senior citizens are is neglected from this family? First cause is busyness. Second is financial crisis. आर्थिक अवस्था कमजोर भएको कारणले पनि यस्तो घटनाहरू घटिरहेका छन्. Similarly, yes, ancestral yes distance. Ancestral भनेको पैतृक, distance दूरी. त youth generation they did not yes understand the feelings of this what aged people or senior citizen. There is no unity, there is no cooperation, there is no love, no care. There is this distance of these feelings. That also this major cause of happening such types of the incident in the Nepalese society. Similarly, obviously influence of this what Western culture and desire of the many people to keep what this nuclear family, एकल परिवार मा बस्ने खालको चाहिँ एकदमधारी कल्चर को विकास भएको छ. त these are the reasons behind that most of the senior citizens are neglected in this Nepalese society, mostly in big city areas, busy areas. Okay, so what are the solution then? Where there is problem, there is the way of solution also. The first is spend this leisure time. We must have to spend this leisure time with them, make them laugh, make them entertainment, try to understand their pain and sorrow. Yes or no? We can do this. Spend this leisure time, understand their feelings, pain and sorrow, and family take care if their son and daughter is far away in course of their job, in course of their what? ड्युटी. आफ्नै छोराछोरी कामको लागि केही टाढा गएको छन्, अन्य सदस्यहरूले उनीहरूको रेखदेख गर्नु पर्यो नि त, सेवाहरू प्रदान गर्नु पर्यो नि त. Such types of the cultural environment should be maintained, established inside the periphery of family for the solution. And similarly, children should be taught a good culture and a positive attitude to behave with what the senior citizen. The good culture should be taught to this what the children. That is our responsibility. That is the responsibility of this family too. And help financially, yes, financially, help morally as well as this culturally. All these things, all such types of the measures should be done to take care our what? Senior citizen. And the last question, it is the homework for you all. You must have to try by taking the ideas of this class. How the question may be asked. Senior citizen are the wealth of knowledge. Okay. The senior citizen are this wealth of knowledge and experience. There is no doubt, yes. The senior citizens are this wealth of knowledge as well as the experience. Justify the statement. Now create the answer from your own side. And I hope, my dear student, it is very easy question. Yes, senior citizens are the yes, creator of our society, creator of our yes, norms, values, tradition, whatever the culture, custom, whatever we yes, follow today, they are yes, discovered, they are founded by our yes, what? Senior citizen. Their skills, their knowledge provide us the path to make our life what? Success. Their experience are the formula to make our life success. Like this, my dear student, you can create the answer. The senior citizen are this wealth of this knowledge and this experience. Justify the statement. Like this, the question is asked in the examination. And okay, my dear student, this much for today. And again tomorrow I will yes present in front of you in the same time. Take care, stay home and labor hard in your study. Thank you very much.